Good luck, guys. Bowman, Sterling, 2 boxes. Good luck. Got a Colt Wong, St. Louis Cardinals, base. Got a decent pack. Got a refractor auto. Refractor numbered to 99, Cubbies, Kyle Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber to 99 for the Cubs. Next one, you got a base auto on card, Pittsburgh Pirates. Austin Meadows. Pirates, Austin Meadows. Then you got a redemption for a base Atlanta Braves of Braxton Davidson. Braxton Davidson. Got a refractor, Michael Choice, Texas Rangers. Number to 199. Base for the Houston Astros, pitcher Mike Foltynewicz. Mike Foltynewicz for the Astros. Next, you've got a Oakland Athletic base, Raul Alcantara for the A's. Got a rookie going to the Boston Red Sox. Mookie Betts. Boston Red Sox. Mookie Betts. Good hit for the Sox. Got a Noah Syndergaard, New York Mets. Got a Milwaukee Brewer, Jacob Gatewood. Jacob Gatewood for Brewers. Got a base for the Cubbies, Javier Baez. Javier Baez. On card for the San Francisco Giants. Pitcher, Kyle Crick. Kyle Crick for the Giants. Got a Seattle's Aronis Elias. Houston Astros base, Carlos Correa. Houston, Carlos Correa. Got a Cleveland Indian base. On card, Justice Sheffield. Justice Sheffield. And a redemption for Seattle's Gareth Morgan. Gareth Morgan. Got a Tyler Glass now, base, Pittsburgh Pirates. Got a refractor, Boston Red Sox. Numbered to 99, Sean Coyle. Sean Coyle in 99 for the Red Sox. Next, you got Anatomic, numbered to 10. On card, Atomic, numbered to 10. Atlanta Braves, Braxton Davidson. You got a Braxton Davidson base and a Braxton Davidson Atomic, numbered to 10. Good hit for the Braves. And you've got a on-card refractor, numbered to 150. Minnesota Twins, Byron Buxton. Byron Buxton for the Twins, on card to 150. That's a pretty good pack, too. Got a refractor Royals, Brandon Finnegan. That one numbered to 50. Boston Red Sox pitcher Matt Barnes. Matt Barnes from the Red Sox. Next, you've got another pitcher. Washington Nationals, you've got A.J. Cole. A.J. Cole. And then finishing box number 1, you've got a San Diego Padre. Yangervis Solarte. The San Diego Padres finishing box 1. Box number 2, this is a pretty solid box. Box 2. Got Tommy La Stella for the Braves. On card, Cincinnati Reds, Nick Howard. Nick Howard. Got a rookie auto, Texas Rangers. Jorge Alfaro. Jorge Alfaro, base for the Rangers. Got a base redemption, Cleveland's Mike Pappy. Mike Pappy for the Indians. Got a refractor for the Mets, Michael Conforto. Number to 199. Got a on card for the Mets. Noah Syndergaard. Noah Syndergaard on card for the Mets. On card for the Colorado Rockies, Kyle Freeland. Kyle Freeland. Cleveland Indians base. Jesus Aguilar. Let's see here, Stephen Romero, Seattle. Got a New York Mets base, Dominic Smith. Dominic Smith. Got a Phillies. Mitch Gear. For the Phillies, Mitch Gear. Redemption. Seattle, Alex Jackson. Base. Got a base for the Red Sox. Blake Swihart. Got a Phillies base, J.P. Crawford. St. Louis Cardinals base, Stephen Piscotty. Kansas City Royal base, Ostergriff. Oscar. Got a Jasmel Pinto refractor, Minnesota Twins. That one is $2,199. On card, Boston Red Sox. Henry Owens. Got a base for the New York Yankees, Luis Severino. Luis Severino, base for the Yanks. And got a Giant base. Andrew Susik. Base for the Giants, Andrew Susik. Last pack, you get a Marlins, Tyler Kolek. Marlins, base. Justin Nicolino. Got a Pittsburgh Pirate, refractor. Number to 99, Alan Hansen. Alan Hansen to 99. And finishing tonight with a base on card going to the St. Louis Cardinals. Jack Flaherty. Jack Flaherty, St. Louis Cardinals. Finishing Bowman Sterling tonight, guys. So we'll hop off. We'll get this stuff on YouTube. We'll get to the post office, and then we'll see you tomorrow night.